and welcome to Cryssberry Reviews. Today I'm going to review my kettle, a kettle that has been with me for 3 years now and still working in perfect condition. I will also be telling the most important points to consider while buying a kettle, and you will also see the demo. So let's go. If you live in cities, then never buy these kettles. Because these kettles are not jointless, and the inner bottom, it starts peeling off. Like say if you're using hot water, if you're cooking noodles or making tea in it, the inner bottom is going to peel off in a year's time. Especially like people in cities, you have hard water, right, mostly, and if you're washing it in hard water regularly, the bottom starts peeling off. So I wouldn't recommend using this kind of kettle. I'm telling this out of my experience because I had to change my kettle every year because of this peeling factor. Instead, buy a kettle like this one. This is Orpat 1350 watts cordless kettle. It's a 360-degree cordless kettle. So now let's see the product. This is the kettle, and this is the lid. There is a button here. You can just open it like this by pressing it, and this is the inside. And what I really like about this kettle is this is a jointless kettle. It's 100% stainless steel. A very nice handle here, and here is the switch. You can turn it on. Can you see here? This is the LED light. This is the indicator actually. When you turn the kettle on, this light comes on, and when the water has boiled, it goes off. So I have taken minimum quantity water. Press it and turn it on. Can you see the red light indicator? When water reaches boiling point, it automatically goes off like this. The handle is cool to touch. There is no heat at all. Just lift it carefully. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. So see you soon. I will be reviewing more and more useful products like this. Cheers.